Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well, safe and sound and sane and enjoying your new tier, whatever tier you're in. I'm in tier 3, living in Bristol. Woohoo, you know. Anyway, car insurance. Who has problems with car insurance? Not problems as in such of getting the insurance, but just the amount your renewal or your quoted estimates differ. So I am with an insurance company obviously, and they've come back at a price of £491 for a standard Focus ST Mark IV. So I've done a couple of other quotes, and even modified, they're coming around low 400 mark. So anyway, I was told by a number of people to try Adrian Flux. Very good, you know, if you want to modify it in the future, do track days, amazing. And I've been with Adrian Flux before, and you know, they're okay. So anyway, I gave them a tinkle. To be told all the way through, yep, we're competitive, yep, you know, we can do what you want, this, that and the other, we're competitive. After 40 minutes on the phone, £815. £815. And I was gobsmacked. And I was kind of annoyed because I'd wasted 40 minutes on the phone with this woman who kept telling me that she, you know, Adrian Flux were competitive, this, that and the other, to be told that. And now I'm getting cold called from Adrian Flux daily to take my business. And it's going to get to a point where I either block them, or when I answer the phone and I will tell that person, I'll go to an ombudsman, you know, or something, and just get them reported, because it's getting a joke now. So I'd love to know why all the other companies that I tried are around the low £400 mark, and Adrian Flux, who do track day insurance and modified car insurance, and they're £400 off. It's ridiculous. So that was my bugbear. I've got to sort that out this week, because this is going to be near renewal time soon, and on my policy of cars. And so yeah, I'm gonna get that done. What other news have we got? Romain Grosjean. Wow, spectacular accident. Thank God he is okay. I mean, Christ. I mean, if that was a couple of years ago, before the halo, I think he would have succumbed to his injuries. I don't think he would have survived that. So yes, the halo is ugly, I don't like it, but on the other hand, look what it does. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It saved his life, and to come away with only slight burns on the back of the hand and the ankle. You know, he impacted I think I read at 137 miles an hour, and his body went through 53 G on the impact. You know, bearing in mind an astronaut, the maximum they get is 7G on takeoff. Romain Grosjean went through 53G. I mean, like, it just goes to show how fit these guys are, and mentally and healthy, strong. I mean, and the cars are just, you know, out of this world. What else in Formula 1? Oh, George Russell. I'm so pleased he got that seat for Bahrain this weekend. We're taking Lewis's seat, and I think he's got a good chance of showing what he can do. I mean, he's a talented young driver, and I'd like to see him do well. I'd like to see him beat Valtteri, and yeah, I think if he plays his cards right, I think he'll do good. And I'm not a Lewis fan, so I'm quite pleased to see this team now. I think it's a great team. I think Valtteri is a paid number 2 driver, so between him and Lewis, so that's why we haven't seen Valtteri win as many races. And so I'd like to see George beat him now, and that'd be good. That'd be really good. I'm now on the Bristol Ring Road, and people can't drive for shit. People know headlights on. The rain is coming down. I mean, it's misty, it's rain, and it's just, you know, I want to have some fun in this car. Yeah, it's good. So you guys all set for Christmas? Are you looking forward to Christmas? You know, I think for the first time in many years since my dad passed, I'm actually looking forward to Christmas this year, which is quite strange considering what we've been through this year. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I'm. This car just gives. Oh, I'm low on fuel. What a surprise. I'm always low on fuel in this car. Every time I take it for a drive, I either have to start the journey in a petrol station or finish the journey in a petrol station. But I can't fault it. I really can't. You know, it's what you pay to have such. You know. Now, am I going to mod this car? Yes. So I talked about earlier about my insurance. I've been doing the quotes with the mods I've planned, and which includes the Mountain Tune 330 remap. I'm leaning towards the Multec exhaust system, and the intake I'm not quite sure yet. There's a couple. I'm waiting to see what the reviews come out with are like, but there's a couple out now which people are saying are amazing, but I want to see what their long-term life of those intakes is like. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Now the car's running. We've just clocked over 4,000 miles in 6 months of ownership. So yeah, all is good. I don't think anything else is going on in my life. Yeah, I'm now off work now, besides a couple of test days in December that I've got to do. I'm now off till the end of January, so I've got a nice period of relax, do some stuff on the house. And did you hear that? Nice popping and banging. And yeah, so yeah, I'm going to take it easy. Try and do some more vlogs, try and get used to doing this. It's really weird. It's, you know, talking to a camera, people looking at you, listening to your own voice. It's just, but I'm going to get there. I'm going to persevere. I want to make it work. So hopefully soon I'll do a walk around about a new building upstairs top of the house. So that'll be quite good to see as well, because that's looking very smart now. So that's it, guys. Right, you take it easy, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.